All FARS members are able to create research spaces that can be used by anyone who has access to the AAA Commons to support your ongoing research activities. Things you should know about these research spaces are that they're private, so only you and the people you permission into them have access. They're backed up nightly with off-site storage, so you've got some security that that data will be available to you. And the system can handle a research project from initiation through the final page proofs. This video is going to show you how to create, permission people in, and use the research spaces that are within this community. To create a new research space, all you have to do is to click on the Create a Research Space button. When you click on it, you're going to be given a screen that allows you to set a name for it. So I'm going to call this the FARS Credit Suisse project, and I'm going to then give it a tagline, a great research project. And I'm going to create a research working team. That happens as quickly as you've just seen. Now the next thing I need to do is to determine which members do I want to allow to have access to this space. Right now, I'm the only person who can use this space. Like I said, all FARS members are able to create new research communities, but you're able to also add guest users of the AAA Commons into your space. All that you need to do to permission is to either add a group, which I don't think you're going to want to do, or if you've already added somebody to your network by clicking on the little person ID next to their name, you can click just on Add to add them. So if I wanted to add Tracy Sutherland to my research team, I could add her. Or I could search for the name. And so if I wanted to add Christine Otteson, I could search for Christine, and I would find her, and I could add her to my group. At this point, now I've said, okay, I'm the owner of the group, but I can also say I want my two co-authors to have access to this space. They're able to tag, which means they can assign codes to different postings. They can post contents, they can comment, and they can read everything that's posted. I click Save and Exit, and now that research space is created. Whenever I come into this community space then, I've got now a group that's a space that's called the FARS Credit Suisse project. I'm able to put in all types of different content related to this research project. So for example, when I start a new project, it's likely that I want to include some reference papers so my co-authors and colleagues can read those reference papers. I would merely fill out these different portions of the system, and then as soon as I said post, there would be a new posting that would be available to everybody from the community. If you end up going all the way through the life cycle, you'll have your reference papers, your working papers, the presentations, responses from editors. You'll have everything about that paper in one place. If it gets to be complicated, you can always come in and just filter by the type. So if you only want to see the reference papers that you've stored, you come to the post page, click on the reference papers, and the posts will be eliminated. They'll be categorized, and you'll only see those reference papers. That's all it takes to create a research space within this community. Good luck, and I hope to see great research projects coming from it.